Frustrated by the Mrmcorer Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. As we get into the manual process for Mrmcorer library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Mrmcorer library, the Modern Resource Manager core module. It manages the unmanaged parsing of package resource index (PRI) files. It facilitates the orchestration of localized UI assets and string manifests for all UWP and store applications. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. If Mrmcorer library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mrmcorer library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Most individual downloads of Mrmcorer library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Mrmcorer library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Mrmcorer library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.